And of course, KQ and Goldiena for the shooting guard post. You know, Coach Cholo, this is really an exciting matchup to be looking after for this basketball tournament. What are we going to expect in this tournament?
Yes, Coach Rocky, as I mentioned last night, we expect another set of fireworks for this ball game, no? Kasi I think LaSalle will be playing motivated wits, no? And their experience, they bring that to the table, and of course their health, of course, nandyan yung import nilang itong si Jay McInnes.
Post, a good anticipation still there by Macalalag, wide open.
Coach Rocky, for the past 2 days, hindi nakapaglaro to si Sam Perkins. But this time,
itong Fuel Masters, they're really dumping inside, trying to attack the big guys of the De La Salle Green Archers. But now JC Macalalag, Abadam on the corner, fires once again. That's their third straight, field. Top pick, Tuffin for three, swish.
Finally, almost 5 minutes drought for Phoenix. And
become one of the, key scorer for LaSalle. Michael Phillips this time. Basket will count. Ito Michael Phillips, one of the most hardworking guy on the floor right now. Yes. KQ, a good pass there to Raven Cortez.
Kita mo naman, they love to share that ball, no?
Yeah. Alejandro fires. Yes, sir. Pasok.
Alejandro has been effective in the
Amos here. Ramiro.
Wow, gandang entry, coach.
In. I like that. Naalala ko yung mga assist mo dati, Coach Cholo, ha? Parang mga ganun din yung mga galawan dati. Nako, pasok na naman. Ito, Kentoy Salado starts. Now, here comes Austria, one of the leading scorer for LaSalle as well. They kick it out to Ramiro. Fire contested shot, but it doesn't matter.
Good defense.
And now here comes the Fuel Masters on transition. Kai Balungay with that trailer. Napakaganda ng trailer cut niya doon, Coach. Transition. Medyo mabagal yung transition ng Fuel Masters doon. McInnes.
That is really their strength, Coach Rocky.
Yes.
Don't look now, it's just a 1-point lead.
Yeah. Parang tinapunan ka. Parang nagpasagasa ka sa 10-wheeler truck. Abadam on the corner.
Wow.
Yan.
Galit na galit si Coach sa mic,
Yeah. Inako.
That situation. Taking that shot. Magagalit ka ba?
I'm okay with it, Coach.
Right.
But here comes McInnes. Good block. And a good effort by Jay McInnes. The fans are shouting, dunk, dunk. Easy hook.
Pinahirapan pa.
Basic this, the less energy will it take. RJ Hasul fires.
Wow.
Yun, veteran. Ito, good cut there. 5 seconds to go. Fades away.
Nice.
Grabe. Boris Marasigan. LaSalle is up by 2 in the 2024 Invitational Basketball Tournament. Will assist that hook. Here comes the DLSU Green Archers. JC Macalalag. Favor him. Grabe, no? Yun talaga yung strength niya. Kala mo ko siya is trying to go in a
Phillips po.
Eto, R. Garcia. Yan. Showmanship there to Alian. Alian drives using his strength.
Patient drive there.
R. Garcia. Once again, ito, another chance for Fuel Masters. And yes, pumasok na. Jason Perkins. They're finding an open look.
He did not hesitate there.
A good
pensan or shooter yung mga lefty.
Yeah, yun yung ang something na hindi natin alam kasi puro tayo right-handed.
Yun nga lang, no?
Ayun, Kevin Kiambao once again now. But Tuffin is there on transition. Jason Perkins on transition 3.
Wow!
Yes, sir!
Excellent 3 from Jason.
Yes. And ito, wide open three on the corner.
Wow.
Pasok.
Sa wakas, pumasok na yung 3-point shot ni KQ.
That fire. Perkins once again, contested shot. But Jay McInnes, offensive rebound once again. Grab. Here comes LaSalle. KQ floater shot. Yes, sir. Iba talaga yung vision ni KQ. 6, no? Yes, definitely. Now KQ once again on the corner. Back to back. 1, 2, 3.
Grabe itong si KQ, no?
Housing. Especially here now in a penalty, coach.
Yeah, medyo early yung penalty situation nitong LaSalle. Too aggressive in terms of their defense, coach.
Grabe yung presence ng
Nice
Jay
entry.
McInnes.
Wow. Very effective. Nice entry once again coming from Ken Salado.
From the paint.
Yeah. That's a 1-2 punch from the
Yeah.
Phoenix Fuel Masters.
Yes, Dongo. And there you go. A good help side, but a better offense. At peace pa rin. Kentoy, the conductor.
The hesitation dribble.
Grabe na. Yeah, but
Oh,
eto, Earl Abadam, Kiambao, good pass there to Raven Cortez. You know, the unread on 3 transition. Jason Perkins.
hindi pa rin.
Jay McInnes finishes.
Jay McInnes cleans it up. 4 seconds to play. Oh,
Wow. What a talent there from Earl Abadam. End of the second quarter, 56 at piece. We're excited for the third quarter. Free throw attempts ng Phoenix Fuel Masters. They're 79% in the free throw line. Here on the corner, Goliena. Correction, Goliena.
Yes.
EJ Goliena once again strike, really contributing a lot for LaSalle.
Yeah, EJ Goliena is a steady contributor for De La Salle University. But looking at the first half stats, De La Salle.
Camacho kicks it out to Alejandro. 3.
Wow.
1,
Ulit naman.
2, 3. Pasok na naman. Lian Ramiro. Kentoy.
Wow. Ganda ng dump. Nice entry. Nice drop pass. Oh, steal by Kentoy.
Grabe, ganda ng oh, what the hesitation. Woo! Another fast break opportunity. Kentoy Salado.
Easy.
Touchdown. Pocon. LaSalle grabs the rebound. Boris Marasigan. Finish.
Aggressive move.
A good drive by Boris. Converge Fiber Xers. Yon, Raven Cortez. Simple basketball.
Yes. Nice.
Trying to create space. Yun. Up and under. But Kai Balungay is there.
Bago lang yata nakabalik tong si Kai Balungay, no?
RJ Azul. Gustong sumubok. But there
Wow.
comes McInnes. Once again.
Yeah, overpass.
Kita natin na and he loves to really get that offensive rebound. Matthew Rubico, pasok. Or Matt Rubico. In ways. JV Mocon, RJ Azul for 3. Pabandang tira. 1, 2, 3.
Using the glass.
75-80, end of the third quarter. Napagandang laban.
Ako si Coach Mon. I played with Coach Mon before, no, sa university games. Against.
Yes, Mike Phillips. Once the conductor. Jay McInnes
Lumipad sa ere itong si Jay McInnes.
is very dominating.
KQ wide open 3.
Yep, that's wide open.
Swish.
1, 2, 3 once again. Jay McInnes using his strength.
Oh,
But
pumasok tuloy, no?
yes, that's a tough ito.
Oo nga.
Huwag na po tayo mag-away. O kanya-kanyang opinion. Wow, Matt Rubico showcasing A rookie, ha? Eto, here comes Sean Maganti. CJ
Yan na
Austria
naman, no?
steals the ball. Ayan.
Humila pa. Wow!
KQ!
Woo! Powerful putback from KQ.
Baka ano, coach, ha? Breather yon, breather.
Oo.
Jason Perkins. Eto na.
Putback.
Nakailan na itong si James Kiambao. Here comes Austria. 3.
Ah! Wow! CJ Austria really having fun.
Tyler Teo. Tyler Teo for 3.
Bumawi. So, maganda to.
Foul lang po tayo ngayon. Ito, here comes Jason Perkins. He drives physically.
Ooh.
And 1.
Continuation. Basket is good for Jason.
Perkins using his veteran move.
Wow!
Yan na. Ayan, napa-timeout na.
Once upon a time, a green archer, right?
Nakalala.
Ooh! Agaw!
And here,
38 seconds.
yes, Tyler Teo this time. Perkins
Perkins.
uses his strength.
No good. Clean up job.
Oh!
Slamma jamma.
Hey!
Tabla po tayo.
Yes, here comes CJ Austria contra
5 seconds to shoot,
Jason
coach.
Perkins.
Uh-oh. Blocking foul. Wow. With .7
Yes, I
in
know.
the shot clock.
I know.
CJ Austria on the stripe for 2. Tabla po tayo.
CJ, he made it. Tumatawa na naman. Yung mga tawang ganyan talaga. Oh.
Second throw. Tinilaan pa. Oh. Ibang klase itong batang to. Saludo ko sa iyo, boy.
At na tayo. 4.7 seconds. 104-102.
Here we go. Give and go play. Sabi na, go for 3.
What a big rebound.
LaSalle escapes.
Yep, that's right. Panalo ang De La Salle Green Archers. Dito, end of the game, the UAAP champions